Welcome, today I'm part of new BLACKVIEW BV6600E and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we can see that we have the new created folder on our device home screen. If you want to add here more applications, just by the same way, hold it and drag it here to this folder. Also, we can rename the folder. Just click once here on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Now we can see that this folder is renamed successfully. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it, for example to the right upper corner. Also, we can move the folder between the screens. And if you want to sure you can create the new screens with this folder, that's not a problem, as you can see. Also, if you want to remove some applications from this folder, you can hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove this app from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. You'll remove it also from your device home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.